Uh, my name is Pragna. I'm studying Balayesu High School, and this is my project Smart Home. This is my dream project. I have been designing this project for the past 3 months. Now I have added several sensors and security features in the home so that it is the future home. Okay, now let me explain one by one all the facilities of this. Now this is the power supply adapter. This powers the entire circuitry in this. This is it. This adapter will convert 230 volts AC into 12 volts DC. This 12 volts DC is given to the microcontroller here. This is a Arduino microcontroller, which is a very this microcontroller is used by all students for most of the projects. So this is very good for hobby electronics. And this is a microcontroller, this is a buzzer, this is an actuator. This will give you sound. Now we have covered up with a tape. If you remove the tape, the sound will be much larger. And these are the transistors. These transistors are used to switch on various lights used in the project. And this is a fire sensor. If you can see, like, there is a fire sensor. This fire sensor will detect the fire and will actuate the alarm. And this is a garage light. When someone steps onto the garage, or when the car enters the garage light will be switched on. Now let us see like how it works. The moment you put a pressure on this, the switch underneath will be pressed, and the light will be switched on for 10 seconds. Once you park the vehicle, once you park the vehicle, then after some time the light will be switched off. Then you will come inside, and since the door is open, now you will enter inside, and when you close the door, automatically the light inside will start glowing. When you open the door, the light will switch off after a delay of 1 second. Okay, now when you press this button, the gate will open and allows the car or anything to pass through. See, this is how the car will pass through. It will go inside and it will go. After some time, it will be switched off. Again, the gate will be closed. Now this is a bedroom wherein the lights are connected through the door. When you close the door, since there is darkness inside, the lights will be switched on. And when you open the door, the light will be switched off. So this is how we are saving electricity. There is a fire sensor here. There is an LDR base. This sensor detects the laser light. This is based on light dependent resistor. It detects the changes in the light intensity falling on this sensor. When laser is falling on this, the light intensity will be high. It will be detecting that. Then, and it will be, and when laser is falling on it, the light will be falling on that. So once light falls on it, this LED will start blinking, indicating that your house is safe and secured. If someone interrupts this laser beam, the light will be off to alert the occupying person or the owner of the house that someone has breached the security and you need to take care of it. Okay. So this is a garage light, this is a bedroom light controlled by the switch, and this is the hall. The hall and these things are connected through this, and this is a portico light. When you open the door, the portico light will become on and it will be continuously on till the person or you want to switch it off. So this is the concept of the smart home. In future, I want to add many more features, like using a mobile phone. I want to control the entire home, like the temperature of the room, the air conditioning of the room, and I want to add a temperature controlled fan. If the temperature increases, the fan speed will also increase. If the temperature comes down, then at certain temperature the fan will be switched off. And all the switches and everything should be available on my mobile phone. I will be placing a camera here in the future so that when somebody comes in, I will be able to see who is the person. Then I should be able to operate using my mobile phone to open the door, open the garage, and what all is happening in my home should be at the fingertip using a mobile phone. This is the future concept of my project. If I am selected to the next level, I am going to incorporate all these facilities in my system.